This is Ride to the Sun. This is March something, but it feels like Christmas. I just came home from work and I had a box waiting for me. I've been wanting to try a different seat. Previously I had a different seat. I'll show it to you later. But I decided to try a PERA seat and see how it fits in my Road King. So let's see what it looks like. They haven't changed. They just jump right in. So. Be careful with this knife. I cut myself. And the box, of course, is a seat. It's a bag full of brackets and screws. Very sturdy looking seat. It looks a lot more minimalistic on the internet. Very well made. The PERA makes great stuff. I've actually never owned a PERA seat. This is a first. Put this away before I regret it. So, very nicely made. Very nicely made. Look at the bottom. Look at the finish on this. This actually was bought through eBay. Wow, the finish is really all the same, still pretty well made. Everything is nicely buttoned up, front to rear. Everything is really nicely made. I could put a nice, wow. I'm actually very impressed. The stitching, there's not one miss on the stitching here. It feels a little, oh, look at this. Almost looks like a little cut on it. I don't know, a slow impression on it right here. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe a different angle, different light angle. Take a look. Almost looks like a cut. I don't know if the tape was leaning against it. I'd probably clean it up and see if it comes off. I don't think it's a cut. It just looks like maybe tape was against it. I don't know. But this is the rear. I have to see the profile on there. It's a very good looking seat if you want to see the profile on it. See that? It's just to clear the guards, the back guards on both sides. I'm very happy with this seat. The price was minimal. Very nice, very nice. I'm very impressed with this little PERA seat. Now, I have to see how comfortable this is. This little bolster on the back here will stop you from sliding backwards. It's pretty substantial. It actually looks like a lot better than if you look at it. In the picture, it didn't look as pronounced as it is here. But here, it's quite pronounced. And holding it in my hand, this will definitely keep you in your seat. Very nice. Let me show you my previous seat. This is a period seat for the 2005 Road King. It's from Saddlemen. I love this seat. I love the way it looks. It's a unique look to it. It's quite light compared to the PERA. I love the stitch work on this. You know, it's starting to crack a little bit on the side. Hardly see it. It's just a little character. I still love this seat. Probably would still rock this seat. Feels quite light. See the Saddlemen. I called Saddlemen, see if they would recover it for me. They told me they didn't do that. Actually, I didn't call them. I emailed them. So, yeah, that's the previous seat. I'll probably put a picture up if you want to see what each one looked like on the bike. And I'm actually quite happy with this. So let's take a look to see what the seat looked like on the bike. Okay. Don't worry, I'm not scratching anything. It just sounds awful. And I'm being as careful as I can. And I'm trying not to over tighten either. As soon as I feel it tighten, I take another quarter turn. And I check it every now and again.